Okay, so check it. We released the Valley High. You know what I mean? This is my first time actually talking about them publicly. We wanted to bring footwear back. We started as a company back in 2011, and by 2013, we had released the work boot, the luxury work boot, which back then even was a play on the Jordan 1. We kind of covered it up and coded it, so you didn't know because we didn't kind of know the legalities back then. But we knew that was a winning silhouette, you know what I mean? So we pulled some of the characteristics from it, and released it back then. So when we came back with footwear, after COVID, I just wanted to do something that was fresh, that wasn't going to remind you of like looking like a Jordan or other products that we see out there, but would still give you that same kind of ambiance, you know what I mean? The Valley High, just the hero colorway, definitely. So check it out. It's going to be able to match with the other red, black, and blue items that we have in stock. Okay, so then peep, here you got the BK colorway. BK meaning Brooklyn, you know what I mean? For those of y'all that may not know, Brooklyn is, the borough of choice for the brand. We have a pretty huge concentration of clients in that area. And back in, I think, 2014, when they had the All-Star game out there, we had a pretty big weekend, you know what I mean? So that kind of eclipsed, like, how we kind of felt about New York. We was just like, yo, let me get to Brooklyn. And Brooklyn's always been black and white, as far as a colorway is concerned. So, still same silhouette as the Valley High Hero. This one just tells the story of, the rest of the black and white pieces that we got. You know what I mean? I'm going to show you some on-foot stuff in a minute. But, just in general with the Valley High, you know what I mean? It's going to give you that premium feel and premium look because it's premium, but it's also going to give you the opportunity to have something to talk about when you see other people. You know what I mean? They're going to have seen all the other pieces that you're going to, that you would choose to buy. You know what I mean? They've never seen these. It's going to open that conversation up to be like, man, what is that? You know what I mean? Which was the whole point of us being a boutique/designer brand. You know what I mean? We didn't want you to show up looking like everybody else. There's a reason why, we choose the colors we choose. We choose the silhouettes that we choose or, the products in general. You know what I mean? We know how you may have to look when you got to jump from the bank to the baby shower, to church after that. You know what I mean? And then you might have to go to work. You know what I mean? And then after that, you're going to hop on a flight. We want to make sure that we're making those transitional pieces that you can just keep on. The only transition is your environment. You know what I mean? So that's kind of where, the thinking and processing comes for the brand. I mean, look at those gloves. People are going to ask, like, yo, what are these gloves about? You know what I mean? Like, what about the gloves? Peace out, y'all.